Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. It's Rush, the Discover Boss. So we're here with a quick video. There is a new construction around this side in New Kingston in the Golden Triangle, close to the AC Hotel. This is what we're looking at, AC Hotel. So the construction is pretty close. So we're now on Lady Musgrave Road. That's where we're at. And the construction is on Trafalgar Road, connecting to Lady Musgrave. So it's basically the intersection of Lady Musgrave and Trafalgar Road. It's a new construction. They just started foundation, right? However, we're gonna take a look at it. We're not sure if it's residential or commercial as yet. There is no billboard, but if you guys know more information, as usual, let me know in the comment section, and then when we do the updates, we'll mention that as well. So it's gonna be mainly a drone video because the property is zinced off, fenced off, so we can't see over it without a drone. So I'm gonna send up the drone, fly around a bit, show you guys some area shots as well. As usual, remember to subscribe. Subscribing is free. There's no charge. Trying to grow the channel, so remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to comment, and share the video as well, so that other persons can see, the type of developments that are happening. So, Lady Musgrave Road, Trafalgar Road intersection. That's where the construction is. I'm gonna show you guys a glimpse in a bit, and then we basically send up the drone from there. So stay tuned. Love the support from you guys, and remember to leave your comment. Let me know what you think about everything. Let me know what you think about the development. Let me know if you have any information on the development as well. Alright, so drone going up in a bit.